Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Well, summertime we need garden hose, but it crack over here. It's quite some money for 100 feet and I hate to get rid of it, so I am going to try to repair with JB Weld. This is the 15 minutes weather for plastic, so just as how it should be. I'm going to squeeze some out. Okay, I'm going to put the cap on for to use next time. Okay, and of course I want to put gloves on since I need to use my finger to mix it, and the gloves is a little bit too small, but okay. Okay, so I am going to mix it really well. Okay, so that looks pretty good, and I am trying to squeeze it a little bit, at least try to get some into the opening, and try to do it as well as possible. Okay, let's put a little bit more onto it. Now, this definitely will not fix it because it's flexible. After this, I am going to put electrical tape on the outside. So hopefully the electrical tape will help it bond together, and the JB Weld basically will seal it. So let's see, and here is electrical tape, and I am going to tape it from outside pretty far away to where the crack is, and I will try not to make a big mess onto my finger. So just like that, just like that. It's about here, I remember. So just like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, so now we pretty much cover everything. I am going to give it another wrap it around, and hopefully this will do a good job. I certainly will test it tomorrow and let you know about it. Okay, moment of truth. Look, my hose has water, but the repair part totally doesn't leak. If you think this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.